the outboard board is this relay is clicking, so there's something wrong with the connections. That's communication error. This is the connection, white and black. But this is H1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6. But this is here. Main is L1 is H6, H16 and H14, neutral in line, so black and white. But here is, so you have to check the incoming voltage, so trace the wire diagram, so look for line 1 in neutral, it's the H4 and then the H6, so that's the black and white. So just check with your multimeter if it has 120 volts, so if it's consistent voltage, so the black and then the white, so the number 4 and then the number 6. So you start from the left side, the green is number 1. So just check the voltage and see. And when I check the voltage, I think there's nothing wrong, it's a consistent, so there's something wrong. There's another, maybe some wiring or another wire has issue. So what I did, I checked the communication wire or the wire harness from motor control unit to main control unit. So I find out that one of the wire, I think the yellow wire, is damaged by mice or rats, and they chew it. So one of the red flag here. So what I'm gonna do is gonna splice the wire. So I double check the tech sheet wiring diagram, and I find out that the yellow is transmitting data, so it's very important for the communication. So that's the one eaten or chewed by the rats. So what I did, I just splice it, and then now it's back to normal. All the LEDs blinking, the communication, and then so I just splice the wire here, and then now it's back to normal. So everything's normal. Thank you for watching. Bye.